State asigi rural economy fagadhanabagi pandamda Khongnangthaba University ke livelihood business incubation center na sinduna normagi oiba discourse pangthokre thauram asi navigating business incubation strategies challenges and opportunities haiba hiramda Imphal East ke Khurai Koncham Laikai da laiba university asigi auditorium da pangthokibani thauram aduga mari lainana livelihood business incubation center asigi director oibaga loinana din amasung CEO oiriba Dr. A Guneshwar Sharmana Ministry of Micro and Medium Enterprises ke aspire project makhada khungangi seltumgi fivam phagathanabagi amasung entrepreneur yokhatnabagi thabak paikhatpani Haiba project asi hena maipak na hotnabada lau shingubaga mari lainaba thabak thauram sing chawkhat hanba amadi mari lainaba resource sing promote taunaba hotnabana mathautai maramasina laingak laumi amadi entrepreneurs singi marakta lairiba awatpa sing Khongnangthaba University na mengkhatpa ngamnaba amasung entrepreneurs sing da guide pinaba thauram asi pangthokpani haina phongdoki thauram adu horticulture department ki director K Devadatta CSIR NEIST branch Imphal ki chief scientist professor S Bir Kumar College of Food Technology CAU Imphal ki dean professor Ngasepam Iboyaima amasung MSME Technology Center Imphal ki deputy director Dr. Sinam Yoiren Tombana resource person oina wanganki thauramatuda University asigi vice chancellor professor N Joy Kumar faculty sing entrepreneur sing amasung mahiroi kayana saruk yaki
Hairiba University asigi tongana ekhoigi hairiba LBI se livelihood business incubation center gi mafam se identify tawre pangaida ekhoina masigi damaktaida 500 square feet loinana masigi matik saba building sing infrastructure sing ekhoi leire athuba matamda hairiba se function tawnana bagi damakta thawoina ekhoigi ego based entrepreneurs oiriba rural gi economy se chawkanana aduga makhoi gi leiriba problems sing se address tawnana loinana mapan gi company mayam se masi connect tawreraga makhoi gi production si promote tawba marketing sembiba natragana any difficulties mayam do akoi kumaini address tawgadage haibagi adugumba ahanba phase gi hawdokpagi adugumba wakhalon amasung discourse tuni